A brighter future starts now. When you take the first step towards investing, you're not just putting money aside, you're planting the seeds for a prosperous tomorrow. Why investing early matters. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Investing is important. It helps you grow your money over time. By starting early, you give your investments the chance to multiply, turning small contributions into significant wealth. Starting young gives your money more time to work for you. Imagine your investments as a tree. The sooner you plant it, the taller and stronger it will grow. The earlier you begin, the better off you'll be. Early investments can lead to financial security, allowing you to handle life's uncertainties with confidence. Your future self will thank you. Imagine looking back and realizing that the decisions you made today have paved the way for a comfortable and stress-free future. Imagine having financial freedom later in life. This freedom allows you to enjoy your golden years without financial worries, giving you the liberty to live life on your terms. You could retire comfortably or pursue your passions. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a new hobby, or simply enjoying more time with loved ones, early investing makes it possible. Investing early makes these dreams possible. It provides the financial foundation needed to turn your aspirations into reality. It's never too early to start building a strong financial foundation. Begin today and watch your future flourish with the rewards of your early efforts. The magic of compound interest, your money's snowball effect. Compound interest is like magic. It's a powerful financial concept that can transform your savings and investments over time. It's the interest you earn on your initial investment plus any interest earned previously. This means that your money is not just sitting there, it's actively working for you. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. It gets bigger and bigger over time. The same principle applies to your money. The more time it has to grow, the larger it can become. The longer your money compounds, the more it grows. This exponential growth can turn even modest savings into substantial wealth. Starting early gives your investments more time to benefit from this powerful force. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Consistency is key. Regularly adding to your investments, no matter how small, can lead to impressive results. Let compound interest work its magic for you. By understanding and leveraging this concept, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a prosperous future. Remember, the key is to start now and be consistent. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. Whether it's for retirement, a dream vacation, or financial security, compound interest can help you get there. Start your journey today and watch your money grow. Time is your friend, embracing risk while you're young. Investing always involves some risk, but time is on your side when you're young. You have more time to recover from any market ups and downs. Don't be afraid to invest in growth-oriented investments. These may have higher risks, but also the potential for higher returns over the long term. As you get closer to retirement, you can adjust your investments to become more conservative. Exploring your investment options, stocks, bonds, and more. There are many different types of investments. Stocks represent ownership in companies. Bonds are like loans to governments or companies. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Each investment has its own risks and potential rewards. Learn about different asset classes to make informed decisions. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different asset classes can help manage risk. Section 5. Baby Steps to Big Returns. Practical tips for new investors. Starting with investing is easier than you think. First, create a budget to see how much you can invest. Set clear financial goals, such as buying a house or retiring early. Next, choose an investment platform. There are many online platforms that make investing simple and affordable. Finally, start small and gradually increase your investments over time. Section 6. Don't let fear hold you back. Busting common investing myths. Many people are afraid of investing. They think it's too risky or complicated. But investing is for everyone, not just the wealthy. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many platforms allow you to begin with small amounts. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Section 7. You can do this. Building confidence in your financial future is not just a dream, it's a journey you can embark on today. Building confidence in your financial future. It starts with understanding the basics and seeking the right guidance. Whether you're talking to a financial advisor or reading up on financial planning, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. You have the power to take control of your financial future. By managing your finances wisely and staying informed, you can make decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Investing early is one of the best decisions you can make. Even small investments can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Start by setting aside a portion of your income regularly. It may seem daunting at first, but it gets easier with time and knowledge. Enroll in online finance courses or attend seminars to expand your understanding. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn and grow. Celebrate your small victories along the way, as they are stepping stones to larger achievements. Start small, stay informed, and watch your money grow over time. Keep an eye on your investments and stay updated with the latest financial news to make informed decisions. The sooner you start, the brighter your financial future will be. Embrace the journey with confidence and optimism, knowing that every step you take today is paving the way for a secure and prosperous tomorrow. Section 8. Resources to guide your way, where to find help and information. There are many resources available to help you on your investing journey. Reputable financial websites, books, and podcasts offer valuable information. Consider consulting with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances. Remember, you don't have to navigate the world of investing alone. Section 9. Take charge of your tomorrow. Start investing today. Time is your most valuable asset when it comes to investing. Don't wait another day to start growing your money. Every dollar you invest today has the potential to multiply over time. Take that first step towards financial freedom. Open an investment account, make a plan, and start investing. Your future self will thank you for it.